Yeah, hi, hello everyone. This is Shanmugaraj. Welcome to my channel. One of the aims of this channel is to build a global knowledge sharing platform in the domains of agile, leadership, and project management. You can join me and help me with that either by subscribing to this channel or sharing my videos to your friends, right? So, having said that, let us get into today's video. We are currently discussing some of the leadership ideas from MIT Sloan School of Management. Today's topic is how to go about leading AI driven organization. This particular article has been published in April 3rd, 2024. Why it matters? Artificial intelligence strategies should encompass key business priorities, organization data strategy, and employee skills. To achieve desired outcomes, leaders need to be equipped to lead AI initiatives. According to MIT Sloan senior lecturer Paul Megdo-Smith, the faculty director of new MIT Sloan executive education course about leading AI-driven organization. The course looks at how leaders can apply AI technologies to optimize value in business operations, guide organizations beyond exploration to implementation, and ensure the responsible application of AI, which is crucial as expanded use cases increase enterprise risk. So that's currently a real delta between the numerous proofs of concepts and full-blown AI strategies. To close that gap, leaders need to create a plan for using AI that takes into account key business priorities, the organization's data strategy and employee skills. What are the organization's critical business problems and strategies, and can AI be used to deliver upon those strategies? Right? To have that, organizations need to clearly define the business problem first. And they need to understand fully the breadth of available AI technologies and techniques. And then you have to deconstruct a business challenge into a set of sub problems. And then you determine which technologies and techniques is going to be helpful for these sub problems, right? So you also need to abstract and separate the signal from the noise. Is the organization's data AI ready? So is our organization data is good enough to get into AI projects? Right? That's a question. A key ingredient to successful AI is to have right data sets to analyze and explore, identify the right patterns for each use case and business problems. So organizations need to launch data cleansing and data management initiatives and need to establish data governance and aligning with right third-party data partners, right? So when and where it makes sense. What is the AI maturity level of employees? What are their key skill gaps? And what kind of programs should be in place to upskill employees on critical new competencies, right? So AI skills are not overly abundant, so organizations need programs to upskill and train employees on technical skills. Organization will need to create silo busting cross-functional teams and make sure that failure is permissible to encourage creativity and encourage innovative ways to combine human and machine capabilities in complementary systems. So, given the current frenzy around AI, level setting expectations is a crucial element of enterprise scale AI success. One way to achieve this is to recognize the key duality of AI. Organizations need to adopt a fast and slow two-tier approach to their enterprise AI strategies. Fast experiments and proofs of concept are fed into the creation of slower and longer term strategies. Embrace experimentation while setting strategy, right? So with AI, organizations need to continuously experiment, build hypotheses and proofs of concept, and promote sandbox activities. At the same time, they need to capture the lessons learned and data from those experiments, right? Both successes and failures, and use them to inform medium to longer term AI strategies, right? So most organizations might lean too far in one direction or the other. So you need to understand the balance, and your lessons learned, successes and failures should fit into medium to longer term strategies. Finally, ensure responsible AI use. Without proper safeguards, AI opens the door to significant enterprise risks, including potential brand damage, privacy infractions, and spread of dangerous misinformation, right? So companies need to identify and communicate their ethical values, create accountability through organizational structures, and take continuous steps to detect and remediate biases. With this, we have come to the conclusion of this particular video. Hope you guys got a better understanding how to go about leading AI-driven organizations. We talked about five important aspects. Number one, as a leader, you need to clearly define the business problem and understand and break it down into sub problems and try to match available AI technologies and techniques to execute those projects. Number two, you need to have a data strategy in your organization. So initiatives like right set of data with initiatives like data cleansing, right? So data management initiatives, data governance activities. So that's the second step. And third step is you need to fill the skill gaps of employees by imparting a right set of trainings and allowing them failures while they're experimenting it. And still, you can do that two-tier approach of going fast and slow. So you need to be fast at your experiments and building your lessons learned, right? And then fed them into strategies in a medium to longer term in a slower manner, right? So that's very important. So embracing that fourth factor is, embracing that lessons learned and successes and failures and fed them to the long medium term strategies. Finally, you need to be responsible with your AI initiatives, right? So these are the five key aspects when you want to lead a AI driven organization, right? So I hope you guys like these kind of videos that helps you to become a better leader.